What's up, guys? Unfortunately no progress on the E46 due to the transit behind me. This is my what year it is now? I think 2004 Ford Transit. It's my tow vehicle. Now the other day I made the mistake of thinking it's about time I had a look around the old Transit just to make sure everything is copacetic. So I went poking, and after that I found many holes. It seems like Christmas is gone, but rust is the gift that keeps giving. I'll just take you around to see some of the offending items. Right, so this part of the kind of front panel is rusted away, and this holds on the side of the bumper, so that needs cutting out and replacing. A few scabby marks around the front arch, but that's not too bad. The fun starts as we start to go low. So the sills are completely shot, inner and outer. Not really much left. Rear arch at the corner is disintegrated. Again, a few scabby points, and that's kind of about it. So same on the other side, both sills, rear arches, and the same place at the front. So the plan is to cut all that out, replace the sills and the rear arch, and then just fix these little scabby bits. But the reason why I'm doing it now is because I want to get it sorted so I can get out on a few practice days. I don't really want this job looming over. Just want to get it done and dusted. But apart from that, to be honest with you, she's in actually quite good condition. I gave the underneath a good clean, and yeah, it's not too bad. Okay, first bit I'm doing is just drilling out some of the spot welds. So there's a load of spot welds up there, and there'll be some on the lip as well. So what I'm doing is using this punch just to give me a center point. And all that does is it stops the spot weld drill bit wandering, gives it a center point. Yeah, there we go. That's going to happen. I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera, which is proving a little bit difficult. Yep. Cool. So I've got a few more to do. I'm not going to bore you, but I'll get back to you once I finish those. Okay, I've drilled out most of the spot welds. All these have been drilled out. I haven't done these because I think it's going to be easy just to cut the panel out, which will give me access to see where the spot welds are, because I've grinded a little bit, but it's really difficult to see amongst all the rust where the actual spot welds are. So I think when I'm pulling the panel backwards and forwards, that will kind of highlight where the spot welds are. So again, I've drawn a line around the panel, and I've given myself some leeway. So I'll cut out from this first, then once I'm happy with the fit, I'll approach that line. So that's the arch. Same thing, I'm not sure how clear it is, but a line has been drawn along the sill. And then moving forward to the step, these spot welds have been drilled out, and then I'll just cut along here to remove this panel, and along the bottom of that edge. So I'll get that cut out and then I'll give you a look.
I've cut out most of this rusty panel, so just need to make up some pieces to fill the gaps and to hang the front bumper. Started to clean some of the scabby bits on the arch. Okay. So there's still some of the inner arch remaining from this side, which is good, so I've got something to weld to. I've got to make up some panels to join the inner and outer, but that's not too bad. So that's all cut now, and the reason for this shape is this kind of contours the shape of the replacement panel. I'll just grab that and show it to you. Goes in there like so. And then for the back, as you can see, I've had to cut quite a bit of the inner sill away, but I've got some decent metal here to weld some more sheet. And then this is the outer panel I've had to cut the bottom from, which is the outer sill. And I have a replacement panel. I'll just grab that to show you. So this will just sit like so. And then lastly, I was happy with the fit of the rear panel, so I've cut it down now to where I want it to be. It just needs a little bit more adjustment to get the panels to sit perfectly flush, but so far so good. Again, I'll grab that panel to show you. That's just me holding on, but reasonably happy with that. Just take it off so it doesn't fall over. Right, that's it for today. In terms of what comes next, I've got to do the same again on the other side. It's equally as bad over there. I've also got to get some steel to make up the inner right shoes and to make some plates for the front where the bumper hangs. But other than that, it's going reasonably well. Hopefully in the next video I'll be welding on the new panels and doing a bit of filler work in preparation for sending the van off for a little bit of paint. So that's it from me today. If you've liked the videos, feel free to give it a thumbs up. As always, if you want to see some more, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.